Hey, what's up YouTube? One of my favorite things about sous vide is if I buy meat and don't cook it when I think I will, I can season it, vacuum seal it. This is just salt and pepper. Vacuum seal it, freeze it, and then I can still sous vide it, and you don't even know it was ever frozen. If something sits in your fridge, a little too long, you don't have time to cook it, have to go out of town or whatever. Works perfect. So what we're going to do with this, it's a London broil. It's already seasoned with salt and pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and just sous vide it at 129 for 6 hours, and then we'll sear it. And I'll show you what happens with it here. And you won't even be able to tell it was ever frozen. Like I said, one of my favorite things about sous vide. Other thing too is my work schedule is unpredictable. So if it winds up going longer than 6 hours because I don't make it home when I planned on, it's still not going to overcook it or hurt it. So we got the sous vide warming up. It's about 95 degrees right now. We're going to go ahead and put it in the water anyway because it's frozen. So not worried about the temperature being too low. And get it completely submerged in the bath there, and put the cover on. And if you guys want to check out any of this stuff, I got my Kitchen Boss sous vide and the water bath rack and everything. I'll put links to Amazon if you want to check all this stuff out. We got it in there though, and we're gonna basically just let it go for 6 hours, and then when it's all done, we'll sear it, cut it open, and show you how good it turns out. So we'll see everybody in hopefully about 6 hours, depending on work, could be a little bit longer. All right, our 6 hours is up. And I'll go ahead and get it out of the sous vide here, and we'll go ahead and do a nice little sear on it, let it rest, and I'll cut it up and I'll show you what we got on it. All right, it's almost falling apart tender, and going right into the cast iron pan with the butter. And gonna go each side for about 1 minute. Go ahead and flip it. And going out of the pan on the cutting board and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Stop timer. All right, let it rest up. And we'll go ahead and cut it open here. I'll show you what we ended up with. That is absolutely beautiful. And we're going to just sample a little piece here. All right, going in. Thing melts in your mouth. So that's 129 for about 6 hours from frozen, and came out, I mean, absolutely perfect. So I'm ready to eat, so I'm going to wrap this up. The links in the description to the sous vide and all of my kitchen stuff, and you can check all that out. And remember, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section there. And if you're going to be mean, at least be funny.